The potential of AI content generation is expanding with each passing day, and in merely a few hours of work, I managed to produce this breathtaking historical documentary. Let me show you what I created.
High in the Andes Mountains, a stone city waits above the clouds. This is Machu Picchu. It was built long ago, in the time of the Inca.
That was incredible, wasn't it? Particularly those transitions. They enhanced the overall appeal significantly. Ever since the Pro edition of Nano launched, it has transformed into simpler than before to produce premium quality imagery. And when you combine it with an excellent video creation tool like Kling or Dance, you can genuinely produce masterpieces. I utilized Nano Pro for creating the imagery, followed by Kling for video production, Google TTS for audio narration, and performed minimal editing in CapCut to produce this fantastic video. I'm going to demonstrate precisely how I accomplished it, so let's not delay any further. Okay, now first and foremost, you must initially decide on your video subject and develop the script. You can honestly select any subject that interests you. I selected the Inca civilization because it's incredibly popular, captivating, and it genuinely intrigues me. However, you can pick whatever aligns with your interest. After you've settled on your subject, you must develop the script for your production. I conducted some investigation on Google and also utilized ChatGPT for creating my script. If you wish to rely on ChatGPT completely for the script, allow me to demonstrate the process. Initially, launch ChatGPT and insert this prompt. I'll include the prompt in the description for your convenience. Here, you'll notice I've specified the subject. You can modify that to your chosen subject. Following that, I've established some guidelines. You can adjust those based on your requirements. I've also indicated the desired length for my script, and you can alter that depending on your specifications. Afterward, just click on Generate, and it will begin producing a script for you that avoids sounding mechanical and maintains engagement. As you'll observe, AI still has room for error, so ensure you review and verify every detail before moving forward. After that's completed, it's the moment to generate the imagery based on your script. You must ensure that the graphics correspond with the narrative or the voiceover. You can also utilize ChatGPT's assistance for this purpose. Let me demonstrate the method. You just need to return to ChatGPT and request it to develop image prompts for every scene in this manner, and it will spontaneously produce scene-by-scene image prompts matching your script. This is incredibly convenient and simplifies the image creation process significantly. Now comes the exciting part, creating the imagery and videos. For this purpose, I employed Higgsfield AI. To begin, you should click on the link provided in the description and register using your email address. Following that, you'll encounter this interface. From this point, move your cursor over Images and then choose Nano Pro from this location. For my opening scene, I desired to generate a cinematic view of the ancient citadel of Machu Picchu, so I applied this prompt that ChatGPT provided me. As you'll notice, the prompt is highly descriptive, and this is the image it produced. It appears remarkably stunning, cinematic, and precisely what I required for my documentary. I then desired to develop a transition for my opening scene that demonstrates a zoom-in effect similar to this. So my approach was to merely upload the identical image here, provided a quite straightforward prompt to generate a zoomed-in view, and then click Generate. This is the result it produced. As you'll observe, it's a zoomed-in view. It appears fantastic, everything stays consistent, and it's simply a closer perspective. Nano Pro has made everything remarkably simple, everyone. You simply need to use some creativity. That's the key. For the following scene, I desired to generate a top-down view of this, so once again I uploaded the identical image and applied this prompt. This one was similarly produced by ChatGPT. I utilized the original Citadel image as a reference, and here is the result. As you'll observe, it generated the ideal image, a top-down view on a clear day. Nano genuinely feels like an unfair advantage. So this is essentially how I produced all my imagery. And keep in mind, everyone, you may not achieve the ideal image on your initial attempt. You'll need to explore. It demands considerable trial and error. As you'll notice here, I produced numerous different versions until I decided on the one I preferred. And that's precisely why I appreciate Higgsfield so greatly, because they offer unlimited generations for Nano Banana Pro for Pro members, which indicates I can continue generating until I get precisely what I'm searching for. And now comes the moment for the videos. Let me demonstrate how I created these seamless transitions. I employed Kling's newest model 01 for this purpose. So on Higgsfield's homepage, move your cursor over the video options and then choose the Kling 01 model from this location. For the opening scene, I desired to generate that seamless zoom-in transition effect, so I uploaded the first and second frame imagery here. Subsequently, I provided it this prompt. As you'll notice, I've kept the prompt quite straightforward, and I've also specified the camera movement, which is extremely important, and this is the result it produced. As you'll observe, it generated this fantastic looking transition from scene 1 to scene 2. Kling's latest model is quite remarkable, honestly. You can similarly utilize other generators like Minimax or Kling's earlier model 2.6. They similarly feature the first and second frame capability like this. I could have simply used one image and requested it to generate a zoom-in view, but it wouldn't appear as impressive as this. You should try it, it's quite fantastic. Here's my approach for the second scene. As you'll observe, I kept everything essentially the same. I inserted the imagery, then in the prompt I specified the direction and camera movement, and that's essentially it. Here's the result it produced. As you'll observe, the transition is extremely smooth, and these types of graphics keep viewers engaged, which produces higher retention duration, which is always beneficial. Here's an additional scene example. Once again, I kept everything straightforward, inserted the imagery, specified the camera movement, and here's how it appears. This one similarly appears incredible and truly impressive. Remarkable what AI is capable of nowadays. After this, you must generate all the videos matching your outline, and during the imagery generation, you must consider what type of transition you desire to generate and produce the imagery correspondingly. As you'll notice here, I did considerable trial and error and numerous regenerations until I got all my videos. It's the moment for the audio narration. I employed Google TTS for this purpose. To achieve a more natural sounding voice, my approach was to access the Google TTS platform, input my script text, select a voice from the available options, and generate the audio file. Through this method, you can get clear and consistent narration for your documentary. And believe me, selecting the right voice makes a significant difference. For the soundtrack, I accessed Nano AI. I selected several music genres, produced the track, and downloaded it. Following that, I launched CapCut, imported everything to the timeline, and modified the video clip speeds matching the voiceovers. You can accomplish that from the speed feature within CapCut. Subsequently, I inserted this filter from the filter feature, included the soundtrack that I produced using Nano AI, and ultimately exported the video. And that's it. So there you have it, everyone, a comprehensive guide on how you can produce cinematic historical documentary videos similar to this. It's not particularly challenging, and with the right tools and preparation, you can genuinely produce something extraordinary. All the tools I've employed will be provided in the description, and if you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you tremendously for watching, and as always, keep grinding.